For illumination, Class 1 Division II rated hazardous locations require heavy-duty lights that won't buckle under rugged working environments. This type of light typically takes on non-sparking construction for maximum protection in combustible sites. At Larson Electronics, we understand the complex lighting requirements of hazardous locations as well as the applicable safety standards that protect individuals inside such environments. Our selection of Class 1 Division II rated lights is backed by more than 40 years of experience in the industrial sector. This series includes both permanent mount fixtures and portable lights. We offer Class 1 Division II rated linear LED lights, high bay lights, low voltage LED lights, UV linear lights, dimmable LED lamps, and more. Standard models are compatible with surface, wall, or ceiling mount installations. Applications for hazardous location lights include petroleum refineries, gasoline storage areas, dry cleaning plants, aerospace, battery storage, fuel servicing areas, grain elevators, flour and feed mills, metal powder manufacturers, coal plants, and more. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.